5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Action.
So now that we have our machine threaded, we are going to be practicing our sewing on paper packet. So this lever right here, it determines how fast you go. So over here to the right is faster and to the left is slower. So I want you to start on the slower speed first. Okay. Then we're going to go over to the keypad. And so this one right here brings our needle to the left. And this one brings it okay, to the left and then a little bit to the right. So on this, this foot, we're going to keep it over here to the left. So down here is your stitch width. So we're going to have it from 0.0. We're going to just start it out at 4 millimeters. So how you change that, if I'm not sure where yours are at, you can go up or down. Okay. So you can go up. So we're going to start it at 0. So you push the plus or the minus, depending on where yours is set at, and then push the plus or minus. So we're going to start at 4. So you can go all the way up to 5, but for this practice, we're going to just start it at 4, and then our needle is over here to the left. Okay. So we have it at slow speed. So I'm going to bring the paper, the sewing on paper packet, the first one. And when I put, I'm going to go in the back and bring the presser foot down. And I want that needle to be right on my line. Okay. So when I put my needle down, I'm going to come over here to my hand wheel and I'm going to turn it towards me. Then you'll be able to know that your needle's right on that line. Okay. And make sure you're following your sewing safety and your hands are to the right and the left, to the side of the needle, not in front of the needle. Okay. So I'm going to push my foot pedal and I'm going to let it stitch 2 times. I'm going to stop it. Then I'm pushing this button right here. It looks like a upside, the arrow is going down. And then that is going to back stitch it for me. Okay. And then I'm going to let go of it and I'm going to continue on my line, keeping my needle right on my printed line. And you'll be more precise if you keep it slow. And you're just guiding the paper with your hand. And pressing on the foot pedal. When I get to the end, I'm going to stitch one more stitch. And then again, I'm going to practice my back stitch. So I let it stitch 2 times and then I come back. Okay. And then this will bring your needle up. And then I lift my presser foot up and that red says that it's lifted up. I pull it out. I take my little scissors, my snips, and I clip where I ended. And I clip where I started. Okay. So on that first page, you're going to do the exact same thing for all 4 lines. Okay.